Bibinta tayo ng sapatos. Nike Hyperdunk 2017 na re-release to ngayong 2024. So yan, check natin. Try ko pipinturahan. Parang ano lang, abstract or bahala na kung anong alabasan. Basta I just wanna paint it like this. Kumbaga, maging katulad niya. Or wala na. Basta I wanna do something creative. Parang napaka-plain kasi nung kulay niyang gray. So anyways, abangan nyo kung anong magiging resulta. This will gonna be for my body's shoes, size 11.5. So anyways, check out nyo. Let me know kung gusto nyo rin. We'll do these things for you guys for free, yung pag-paint. Nandiyan na tayo guys. Na tapean ko na yung mga sidewalls and mga yung dapat hindi mapinturahan, and then cutting out yung highlight, yung para sa highlight na Nike shoes. Syempre kailangan hindi mapinturahan yan. Of course, it's gonna be Nike. It's gonna be decent about it. So yun nga lang, sa paggagawa nito, madaming oras tsaka pasensya, medyo hahabaan nyo kasi hindi naman madali yung paggagawa nito, pagdidisenyo or just by itself yung taping. Siguro abutin ka ng 30 minutes just to tape all the shoes or yung mga kailangan na hindi mapinturahan, and then of course cutting out para alam mo lang kung saan tatama yung mga pintura lang mamaya. So anyways, ayan, I guess ito yung naisip kong pinakamadaling gawin para pinturahan. Just be creative, throwing out the paints. Bahala na kung saan tumama. You know, pachum-pachum. Bahala na. Basta, yun. Pininturahan ko lang ng iba-ibang kulay. Just being creative out of it. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako mag-start eh. So, sabi ko, I'll just gonna be throwing out there the paint. Bahala na. So, yun, later on, makikita nyo, maganda naman ang kinalabasan. So, yep, I'm happy for it. Yun, and ang ginamit natin yan na kulay yung black, teal, yellow, then I think pink. So, hindi na ako nag-white para medyo mawala naman ng white kasi mamaya makita naman yung white nandyan sa gilid. So, yeah, yun, throwing out some pinks. Yung medyo matingkad na kulay para kasi yung gray napaka common and kumbaga medyo dry, so I just throw it out there, whatever it could make it alive. So yeah, nandyan na tayo, just taking off the pieces of the tapes. So yun, tingnan nyo maya okay na yan, goods na goods, man. So yeah, that's how simple it is. Like I said, you just have to be creative. Kung napaka-simple ng sapatos mo, let me know. Maybe I could give you some advice. So yun, there you go guys, check it out.